HMs, how it's going? Wait, you don't know me? Well, I am the one who makes your life easier. I am Chitna Lalwani and I make videos on Microsoft Excel, and that to help you learn the Excel in a very easy and in the fun way. Well, you very well know with the thumbnail that why I am here. Yes, our YouTube family has completed the milestone of 5,000 subscribers, and here I am to give you a special gift for that. A Thanksgiving gift, you can say it. Well, if you're new to the channel or already knew the channel, there is two ongoing series on Microsoft Excel. One, the name suggests itself, Excel in Excel, and the other that is you are going to work on Excel without even touching the mouse. Yes, only with the help of the keyboard keys. Now, on the occasion of 5,000 subscribers, here we are with the new series on Microsoft Excel, and that is... Yes, this is our new series on Microsoft Excel, that is mastering Excel formulas and functions in just 30 days. Basically, this series is going to cover almost every formulas and function that you need to learn if you are working on Microsoft Excel, whether you are at the beginner level, intermediate or advanced user. Now, what you need to do for getting the access of this series, you need to do only two things. Subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon, because जैसे आप अपना न्यू ईयर रिजोल्यूशन भूल गए ना, वैसे इस सीरीज को भी भूल जाओगे कि कुछ नया सीखने वाले थे। इसलिए बेल आइकन क्लिक करना जरूरी है ताकि आपको याद आते रहे कि आपने कुछ नया रिजोल्यूशन लिया है एक न्यू सीरीज सीखने का। दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द गिफ्ट. I hope you like this video. I hope you like my channel. So stay tuned for the updates.